Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Toyl, Beauty for Life. So if you want to see what's inside in Toyl February 2023, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing, subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, lovelies, we're unboxing Toyl Beauty for Life, or Time of Your Life. If you're new to this subscription box, this is a beauty premium subscription box because it costs £39.99, including the shipping fee, and every month you receive premium beauty products from skincare to makeup. And if you want to subscribe to Toyl, I have my referral code, which is Jayca, Jayca, and you will get £5 off on your first bag. So yes, let's see what's inside in this matte toy. So first thing first, on the top you will get your booklet, and it says this month theme is the Fantastic Five, and it's worth £101.95. And then it says also, this is it, we have only got to February, and you're getting the 5 ultimate products that you need to instantly upgrade your look. These 5 products target the key beauty concerns that you told me you have from our survey. So this box seeks to fix those issues, ensuring that when someone meets you, they say you look well. In other words, this box targets the facial areas that age us, make us look tired, and lessen our glow. So yes, so let's see. We have the pink tissue paper as always. So the first product we have here, and this is from Ren. This is the Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. This one has 15 ml. This is a full size, and it's worth £44. And it says this make us look tired, worn down, and frankly old. They are caused by being tired, surprise, lack of sleep, shadows as our facial structure changes, sometimes lack of moisture, and because the skin is so thin around the eyes, it really can show. This product can fix it in 7 days, please. So it looks like this inside. So it has the pump, and yeah, I tried a few different products, love this, and I'm using at the moment the Overnight Glow Dark Spot Sleeping Cream. It is a really good product. Honestly, it's really a good one. It does really work on my skin. After I use this one at night, the next day my skin feels really soft, like moisture. I really like it. But the only thing that I dislike from this product is the smell. Like, it has that odd smell, and I honestly don't like it. But the smell, it lasts like only like 5 seconds. But yeah, the only thing is that the scent. But the product itself, how it works, I really do like it. But I never tried the eye cream one, so I will try this one and then I'll let you know. The next one we have here, it's from Esho Pose. This is the lip serum. It has 12 ml. Let's see inside. This one is retail for £19.99. Wow. And it does look inside like this. It has this kind of applicator, and this one, it says whether you smoke or not, have pursed your lips in disapproval too often or not, or whether you have just used too many straw, top lip lines can age your face. This is one of the best, most exciting product in the market to volumize and hydrate, lessening those lines. I never heard from this one, so I'm intrigued to try this one. The next one we have here, it's from Ico. This is the Brow Gel Stronghold in shade Clear. I love brow gel. I use them a lot, so this is a good one. So it does look like that, and inside it has that small applicator. So yeah, I tried Ico products before, like their mascara, but I never get on with it. But I never tried the brow gel one. This one is rated for 18 pounds, and it says, "This is the fastest way I know to lift your look. Many journalists say you can drop up to 10 years of your look just by grooming your brows. This is a clear gel, so you can lift the brow up, fix them there, whatever color your brow are." Yes, this is like a safe one because it's a clear one, so everyone can use it. So yes, and then the next one we have here, and I'm so curious to try this one because I really heard good reviews about this product. This is from Ilamasqua, the gel blusher, and this is in the shade ENQUIRIES. Yeah, ENQUIRIES, and this one is rated for 20 pounds, so this is a full size. And it says, "So many of us have stopped using blusher, and what a mistake. Skin can look sallower as we get older, particularly in winter. So always ensure that there is color in your cheeks, as blusher helps make your face more three-dimensional and glowing." And I used liquid blush a lot, lovelies. I highly recommend them to use under your powder blush because it will last you throughout the day, the blush. If you use only, if you like me, like a very dry skin, if I use only like a powder blush, it will last me like 1 hour, 2 hours. But with liquid blush under, it lasts me throughout the day. As you can see, I still have my blush on, lovelies, and I had this blush since 7 in the morning. So this to now is like 4 in the afternoon. So yes, that's why I highly recommend to use them. So it does look like this, very fancy packaging from Ilamasqua, and here's the shade, and this is for everyone, lovelies. I talk too much. This color is for everyone. It's like subtle coral shade. Oh, lovely shade. Once blend, oh, they blend easily. Love it. I hope you can see it, lovelies. Here we go. So yes, and if I didn't say, this one is rated for 20 pounds. The last product I have here, and this is from My Sweet Smile Pop Whitening Strip. You have 1 strip in here, and this one is rated for £1.71. And this one, it says, "A smile is perhaps my favorite thing in terms of what can lift your look, but there's no doubt that yellowing as we get older is an issue." That is true. And I tried many products, like a whitening products, a lot, but I never saw the one that it's for me because I have quite sensitive. So every time I use them, it does hurt, like, so I stopped using them. But I will try this one and we'll see. So that's all, lovelies. Let's do a recap, lovelies. You will get 1 of this whitening strip, just 1 strip. You will get a full size from Ilamasqua, the Color Veil liquid blusher, the full size from Ren, which is the brightening dark circle eye cream, Essio's Pose, the lip serum full size, and another full size from Ico, which is the brow gel, clear brow gel. So yes, overall, lovelies, for me this month is a thumbs up, and you get a lot of like full size products in here, and definitely I will use every single product in this box. So that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this box? Are you waiting for this box? Are you thinking to subscribe to Toyl? If yes, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, and you will get 5 pounds off. So, and that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.